Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn $21 an hour at home with Amazon in 2019. Um, Guys, make sure if you like my video, you found it interesting, helpful, you think I'm awesome to listen to, please give me a like. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. If you want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, it's the first link in the description below. So guys, we are going to, I'm started out on the page already, but ideally you're going to go to Google and you are going to type in Amazon Mechanical Turk. So once you get there, you're going to find a page similar to this. You might have to pop around. I am on the overview page, just to give you an idea of what you're going to be learning about today. So Mechanical Turk is micro jobs that are offered by Amazon. So Amazon is offering jobs for people who are interested in making money online. You can make it from home. You can do some of these jobs when you're, sitting on your break at work while your kids are running around. You can have a lot of noise in the background. You don't have to worry about any of that. It's something that, as long as you have a computer, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to do this on a tablet too. You are going to be able to make money doing this online. Um, so these micro jobs are offered by Amazon, and Amazon's going to be able to pay you in two ways. They're going to be able to pay you in cash and in gift cards, which I'm going to get into later. So if you don't have a bank account, a physical bank account from a bank in your area, I'm going to teach you how you can still get paid in cash. So like I said before, I am on the overview page because I just want to give you an idea of what Mechanical Turk is. So it is an outsourcing marketplace for Amazon. So people are going to have jobs on Amazon, and what they're going to do is they're going to outsource these jobs to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to perform these virtual tasks, and you end up getting paid money for it. You're going to be doing certain research tasks, survey participations, content moderation, and a lot more. So once you once you decide this is a way that you want to make money, I highly suggest that you check out the overview. Um, so the benefits of doing Mechanical Turk is you're going to make these businesses operate more efficiently. You're going to have a lot of flexibility in your day. You aren't going to, you're not going to have set work hours. So you can do a little bit here, you can do a little bit there. For me, I have two kids in school, so it makes it easy, but I also have a baby at home. So I would be doing this in between naps. So I'd be doing this right around nap time when the kids are sleeping. And I think this is an awesome way, especially if you are a stay-at-home parent or you're just trying to make a little extra income to be able to make money online. So how it works is requesters are going to have tasks and they are going to need them completed. They are going to have, and they're going to request Amazon post these tasks on a certain, I think it's called HIT, right on their website. So you're going to be able to look at a list of all these tasks and pick and choose what interests you. So you're always going to be able to do something that you are interested in. So once you have chosen a task, you complete it, and then you are going to get paid for these tasks. So guys, I have already signed up to be a worker for Mechanical Turk. So I'm going to hop right over to my worker page so you get an idea once you have signed in what your page is going to look like. So these are some of the jobs that are offered to you. And although I know that the rate that they're paying right now does not look really higher, like how am I going to make money, making 5 cents, 50 cents, 1 cent, 2 cent, 5 cents, here and there. What Amazon does ideally is they try and make sure that their workers are going to stick around and that their quality of work is on point. So once you have completed enough tasks, you are going to start getting offers for um, higher rate paid jobs. So the trick is to do as many jobs as you can. These jobs are only going to take like a minute or two each. So, you do one for 10 cents, 60 cents, 8 cents. You're going to start building up like a portfolio, so to speak, for Amazon to say that A, I do good work, and B, that I'm going to stick around and keep completing work for you guys. So when you find a job that you're interested in, you just go right over and you hit accept work. Um, and it's going to pop up with this. My HIT approval rate's 99%. Average pay review time is less than a day. So once you complete these jobs, they also tell you exactly how quickly you're going to be getting paid for these jobs, which I like to know. I like to know when my money's coming in. Activity level is pretty high for a market research survey. So you're going to get paid just to take a quick survey. Um, you can also do things like clean up how-to questions, draw bounding boxes around the requested items. So these jobs are super duper easy. They're not going to take you long. They're going to be really easy. And eventually, like I said before, you're going to start being offered jobs that are going to pay you a little bit more. So I know this is like the hard part. You're definitely going to have to trade time for money, but I'd rather trade my time sitting at home for money than going to a 9 to 5 job and trading my time to not be at home and sitting in my pajamas. I'd much rather sit at home in my pajamas and watch my kids grow up than being at a 9 to 5 warehouse working every single day, 5 days a week. So that's why I really think this is a great way to make money online. Like I said, Amazon really wants to make sure that their employees are going to stick around. They have the super easy jobs. It's a great way to make money. Um, as I had said before, you're going to be able to work from home. They're going to pay you in cash. This is also worldwide, so it is offered all over the world. So just make sure that your country is accepted. But it's not just a U.S. thing. It's not just like overseas, over in Europe kind of thing. They have, I believe, I read that it was 43 or 49 countries that they accept workers through. So when you do apply, make sure that one of your countries is available to do this. Um, so when you do get paid, they offer you to get paid in cash or in Amazon gift cards. In order to get paid in cash, you have to have a bank account. Now, I know in this day and age, most people have bank accounts, but there are some people who do function without them. If you are one of those people that don't feel like going to a bank in your area and going in and physically setting up an account, there are online accounts that you could use. So we're going to hop right over to one of these online accounts, and it is Moovin. You can set this up online and not have to actually even leave your house. I'm the queen of not leaving my house if I don't have to. So I think Moovin is a great option for you to check out if you want an online bank and you want to get paid in cash. Some people prefer to get paid in Amazon gift cards. Um, I'm a cash kind of girl. I'd much rather just set up a moving account and get myself paid through that. Um, so, like I said, you can definitely do that. You can hop over. They're going to tell you exactly when you're going to get paid. So, this pays within 3 days. This pays in less than a day. So, it's not like you're going to have to wait for your money. Um, it's really simple. It's easy. You can do this on your break from home. You can do this with the kids running around. You can do it when the kids are napping. You can use it as a full-time income, or you can use it just to supplement the income that you need that you're not getting at your job that you have right now. Guys, if you like this video, you found it helpful, you really like hearing me talk, definitely hit the like button. Also make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon in the corner. But if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in the description below. We'll see you soon, guys. Thanks.